How to fix websites are not loading on your MacBook. So if you're trying to load a website on either Safari or Google Chrome and it's not opening, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to solve this issue. Now the first thing you need to do is go and open up a Safari browser. You can then press Safari in the top navigation and click on Settings. Now click on Extensions in the top navigation and make sure all of your extensions are turned off and disabled. You can then click on Privacy. Click on Manage Website Data and then go and click on this Remove All button. You'll get this confirmation message, just press Remove Now. Now click on Advanced and make sure Block All Cookies is turned off and disabled like this. You can then head back over to Safari and you can check to see if your website is now loading. Now if you're using Google Chrome, we also need to do the same thing. So go and load up a Google Chrome browser, click on the three vertical dots and then press Settings. Click on Privacy and Security in the left hand side. Click on Delete Browsing Data, make sure all time is selected, and then go and press Delete Data. You'll then need to click on Extensions from the left hand side. Make sure all of your extensions are currently turned off. Now you can do that just by toggling all of these icons to off. You can then try loading up your website and check to see if that solves the issue. Now, if it's still not working, there's one final solution. So click on your Apple logo in the top left-hand side and press System Settings. Now click on Wi-Fi. Next to your Wi-Fi connection, click on Details. Now click on DNS from the left-hand side. You can then click on this plus icon. Now type in 8.8.8.8. You could then click on the plus icon again and type in 8.8.4.4. Now press OK to save your changes. Once you've done that, you can try reopening your internet browser and you should now be able to load any of your websites.